Have you ever wondered why your lavender looks healthy in spring, but by late summer it's woody, sparse, and barely blooms? The truth is, July is the most important month for lavender care. Yet every year, thousands of gardeners unknowingly make one simple mistake that weakens their plants for the entire next season. Today, I'll show you exactly what your lavender needs before July ends. And if you follow these simple steps, you'll enjoy fuller plants, stronger growth, and far more flowers next year. Let's get started. Many gardeners believe lavender simply needs sunshine and occasional watering. While that's partly true, July is when your plant begins preparing for next year's growth. After flowering, lavender starts redirecting its energy. If you ignore it now, the stems become woody, airflow decreases, and the plant gradually loses its beautiful rounded shape. Think of July as your one opportunity to reset the plant before autumn arrives. A few minutes of care today can add years to your lavender's life. The biggest mistake: people either don't prune at all or they prune far too aggressively. Cutting into old woody stems is one of the fastest ways to permanently damage lavender. Those woody sections often struggle to produce new shoots. Instead, remove only the spent flower stalks and lightly trim the soft green growth. This encourages branching while keeping the plant healthy and compact. Remember, never remove more than 1/3 of the green growth. Another common July mistake is overwatering. Lavender is native to dry Mediterranean climates. Its roots actually prefer soil that dries between watering. Constant moisture can cause root rot, fungal diseases, and yellowing leaves. Instead of watering on a schedule, check the soil first. If the top 2 inches are dry, give the plant a deep soak. Then allow the soil to dry again before watering. Deep but infrequent watering encourages stronger roots. Here's something that surprises many gardeners. Lavender doesn't need rich fertilizer. Too much nitrogen produces lush green leaves, but fewer flowers. Instead, focus on healthy soil and excellent drainage. Also, remove weeds growing around the base. Good airflow reduces humidity and helps prevent fungal diseases during hot July weather. Sometimes doing less is actually the best thing you can do for lavender. Here's a bonus tip that experienced lavender growers swear by. Add a thin layer of gravel or small stones around the base of the plant. Gravel reflects sunlight, keeps stems dry, improves drainage, and reduces fungal problems. It's a simple change, but it perfectly mimics lavender's natural habitat. This one trick alone can dramatically improve the health of your plants over time. So before July ends, remember these simple steps. Prune lightly. Avoid overwatering. Skip heavy fertilizer. Keep the base clean. Improve drainage with gravel. Your lavender will reward you with healthier growth, stronger fragrance, and spectacular blooms next season. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more practical gardening tips, and let me know in the comments. How is your lavender doing this summer? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next garden.